I'm gonna use this Doom's colors pencils, and the reason behind using these specific colors that they are cheap and easily available on nearly every art store, so it's a good choice for beginners. Anyways, I have selected the following colors for this specific drawing, and you can pause the video right here to note them down. So I am already done with this rough outline, and you can find both the reference image and grid reference in the description. I always use grid method to get these outlines. So first of all, I am gonna grab this dark brown color and fill the outline with base color. Now you can fill the highlight area with light blue color. You can also use dark blue color to darken the left side of the reflection or highlight. Now fill this surrounding portion with dark brown color. Okay, so I'm gonna use this black color and add the contrast in the eye. You can also use this dark blue color over the black layer to flatten the noisy texture of the contrast. Okay, now you can use Mono Zero eraser or any sharp tip eraser to add some white highlights in the blue area. Or you can use white jelly roll pen if you have. Now grab a small dry brush like this and rub it on the highlight you just added to make it little dull. Okay, now grab the skin tone color and fill the area around the eye. Now grab yellow color and fill this portion. Now grab a light blue color and add a slight base layer. Then you can use the cement color to add the second layer. And blend it with dry brush, and add third layer with dark blue color. And in the end, you can use the black color and add the contrast. Okay, now grab dark brown color and add these little feathers. Now fill this area with dark brown color. Now I am using the black color to darken these little feathers. And also fill this circular area around the eye with these little feathers. The overall process of shading and adding the texture similar to the upper portion. Now grab skin tone color and fill the area with base layer and continue adding the texture lines. Now draw these sharp lines with black color, and you don't want to copy the exact position of each and every single line. You just add them randomly and they will look good. Now use this dark brown color and fill this skin tone color. Add some highlights with cutter, just like this. And with this final step, we are done with this realistic falcon face. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this tutorial. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks. And tag me your falcon drawing for a feature on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep drawing. See you in the next video.